In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your usage limits in Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account using your email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on My Purchases at the top menu. Inside the My Purchases page, you'll be able to see your active membership plan and everything included with it. Just click on the Check Details button, and you will be redirected in a page where you can see a detailed overview of your current plan's inclusions. In the same page, you can also see other plans' details. Artistly AI promotes unlimited usage with its plans, so this page is mainly where you can review your included features, like AI image generation tools, premium features, commercial rights, and other bonuses that come with your purchase. You can also confirm whether you're using the basic offer, upgraded package, or any additional bundle connected to your account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.